This is a story about how love travels, from nature to me, from me to others, and hopefully to you. It's about the lived experience of affection, moving through relationships like oxygen moves through water. Every chance I get, I sail to a special place, a magical habitat of my childhood that restores my sense of wonder and fills my heart with joy. It's a journey to get there. I sail past the docked fishing boats, out of the busy harbor, and past the Nantucket Navy. After dodging the ferries, I sail by Brant Point Lighthouse and set a course that takes me by the Maria Mitchell Association's oceanographic buoy. Part of my day job is to deploy and look after this buoy. It's an amazing piece of technology. I call it David Buoy because it measures changes in the harbor.
Oh, look, you can see the light flashing. It's taking a sample right now. So it's sending out different colors of light, and it's activating the chlorophyll in the algae.
This buoy gives us an unprecedented data set on water quality. Measurements every 15 minutes of temperature, pH, salinity, nitrogen, chlorophyll, and dissolved oxygen. On land, this data fills my computer screen with graphs and my head with numbers. The harbor's ecological vital signs reveal hidden trends and beautiful patterns of relationships. But on this trip, I'm doing a different kind of research. Oika research is ecological research that integrates human culture as an intrinsic part of ecological health, linking culture to nature in mutually beneficial ways. I'm not just filling my head, but also my heart and body with one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth. Most people pass right over it without even knowing it's there. Meet eelgrass, Zostera marina. Eelgrass is not a seaweed, but a flowering plant that once lived on land. But for reasons only known to eels, it returned to the sea 100 million years ago. Underwater meadows of eelgrass rival tropical forests in their ability to support life. They're nurseries for fish, shellfish, and countless crustaceans. Eelgrass beds prevent coastal erosion and sequester carbon more efficiently than forests. While the buoy provides a constant stream of data on the water quality of the harbor, to really understand this ecology, you have to understand eelgrass. And we know a lot. The numbers calculated by the buoy can give you cause and effect, but not affect. And affection is what we need more of right now. For that, you have to also spend time in the eelgrass meadow. You have to be with eelgrass. As a child, I discovered eelgrass through an act of juvenile delinquency. Every recess, I would slip through a hole in the schoolyard fence to explore the marshes behind my elementary school. You could say eelgrass was working a kind of magic on this kid back then. Later, as a commercial fisherman, eelgrass taught me some hard lessons about ecological connection. I learned that when eelgrass declines, everything declines. Fish, shellfish, entire food webs and economies. Ecology and economy are ultimately the same system. Eventually, as a scientist, I was taught how to quantify, to convert those ecological relationships into data.
The thing is, I can measure all this stuff, the dissolved oxygen, the pH, the salinity. I can do it with the buoy over there. It's a piece of technology. But by coming out here and being with it, and by breathing the oxygen that these blades of grass are producing right now, that oxygen enters into my lungs, enters into my bloodstream, becomes part of my cells and my body, And when I come and I just float around with it, and I contemplate it, and I think about being with it, it also enters into my mind. And that's a deep kind of entanglement. And it's an appreciation for just how inextricable we are from the places that we live and the world, the earth.
This recognition creates something in me that I can only call love. And as Carl Sagan once said, when you're in love, you want to tell the world. But how do you communicate this kind of affection for a seagrass? This is Rita, an artist who's about to meet eelgrass for the first time.
Rita in her comfort zone?
Rita out of her comfort zone.
I believe she's about to receive what eelgrass has been teaching me my entire life. My plan is that the deployment of this second human sensor will complete the quantitative data that we get from the buoy. This is Oika research, ecological research that recognizes how a healthy human culture can be part of a healthy ecosystem. Rita isn't just documenting eelgrass. This research creates pathways for both knowledge and love of eelgrass to travel from nature to culture through art.
And when you feel this way, not only do you want to share the experience with others by communicating it, but you want to share in the experience. You want to have others feel it with you. That's what Oika is all about, is learning how to experience it, learning how to share the experience, and learning how to share in the experience. Right now, my boat's trying to sail away without me.
Every time I share this feeling with another person, be it an artist, a sailor, a scientist, or a student, love gets communicated.
This is how we fall in love with the world. This is how we establish a new, intimate relationship of exchange with the habitats that we live in. And ultimately, this is how we're going to get out of this mess that we're in. Because fundamentally, I think if the relationship is beautiful, the future will be beautiful. If our relationship with each other and with this place, the places that we live, is healthy and beautiful, so too will the future be.
This is how the future becomes beautiful. One relationship at a time, one shared experience at a time, one moment of recognition that we belong to this living world that has been loving us all along.